loves, let's make spaghetti and meatballs. This is a coconut infused spaghetti. Subscribe to the channel and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first of all, you're going to start off with your pork meat. It's actually pork meat, not just normal meat. Then, not just beef. Then you come in with 1 egg, and then you're going to come in with 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. This is homemade breadcrumbs. The recipe is on my Instagram page. You can check it out. So when you're done, you mix all of that together and make sure it is combined thoroughly before you move on to the next step. You can add your spices before mixing. I just forgot. That's the reason why I mixed this first, and I'm adding my spices now. So add salt, add pepper, add paprika, add garlic powder, and you're also going to add some basil leaf, dried basil leaf, and then bouillon cube. Guys, all the measurements of all these ingredients are in the description box, so please check it out. Mix everything together. As you can see, I was mixing with a spoon before, but who has that time? So I ended up mixing with my hands. So when you're done and you've made sure that everything has been thoroughly combined, you start to take it out small, and then roll it into a ball, because that is how we need our meatballs to be. You can make it small, you can make it big, depending on whatever size you want. So I made mine big so that it will be easy for you to see the meatballs in my spaghetti. So that's all you need to do. And when you're done with that, as you guys can see, we're done. Then you're going to start the process of cooking your meatballs. So start by adding butter to a pan, and you're also going to come in with olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then you put in your meatballs or pork balls one by one into your pan. So at this point, you don't need to make sure that everything cooks through, because we're still going to go through another process of cooking it. This is just to crisp the outside and make sure it's okay. So you can stir, but this was very hard, so I ended up shaking my pan like this and just trying to make sure all the balls go through some of the heat. So like I said, you don't need to make sure the pork balls are cooked at that moment. So right now, we're just going to take it out after crisping the outer layer, and then without adding any oil, we'll put in some onions and then come in with some butter later, just a little bit of butter. Then when you're done, you add in tomato paste. This is actually not normal tomato paste. It was like a tomato blended with pepper and garlic and ginger and all of that. So it's homemade basically. So you can use normal one or use homemade. Then you come in with coconut milk. You're going to add about half a tin of your coconut milk. Then you're also going to come in with water. That's your pasta water. And then you're going to add half a cup of that and mix all of that together. It's going to look watery, but that's fine, because what we want to do right now is to season with salt and bouillon cube and also paprika, because we need it a bit red, and a bit spicy too, but not too much. I don't know. I really do not know how to handle pepper like that. Anyway, so if the water was a lot, so that we can be able to boil our pork balls through. That is the reason why you can see that it's really, really watery. So not to worry, the water is going to dry later on. So cover your pot and leave for about 10 minutes. Then you come back and then you can see that your pork balls are already cooked. And then you now start to take it. As you can see, your sauce has reduced like totally. So take out your pork balls so that you have enough room to be able to put in your spaghetti. So come in with your pasta, and then you now start to stir. You stir it and make sure everything gets combined together. Then you come back in with your pork balls and make sure to put every sauce inside, because you're going to need it. So when you're done with this step, you can just eat it straight away, or you can steam it a bit. So I didn't bother steaming. Steaming is just basically adding a little bit of your pasta water and just covering your pot and let it just steam a bit. But that's fine. Guys, you have your pork balls ready. This is what it looks like. It looks really tasty and delicious. So if you think you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the like button, because it really tells YouTube that you guys love the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're on 430 subscribers. I'm so glad.